Well, an overcast morning right here in Macon. Take a look at our downtown sky cam. Some clouds blocking a little bit of sunshine, but still warming up rather early. 84 degrees, feels like 94 already. But look for that to drop down. As you see, very clear on our radar in terms of storms and precipitation. But we have that cloud cover lingering around. But right here, all this stuff is moving down into our coverage area very soon in the next couple of hours. So we're going to keep an eye on that, and that will bring us some severe storms today. But more on that in just a second. Right now, temperatures climbing into the mid 80s, coverage wide, 85 Gordon, 84 Warner Robins, 82 down in Rochelle. And then take a look at future view. This line of storms, we'll see how it plays out over the next couple of hours around 11 a.m., creeping into our northern counties. And then at 2 p.m., it's basically all over central Georgia at that point. The main line of it going into our western counties over here, as you can see, dropping down that temperature a good bit, and then it's lingering on still even into the 5 o'clock hour this afternoon. But then look for a second wave to kind of come through later tonight as that moisture is still present, fueling all that stuff. And it's going to clear up just a little bit before some more storms are introduced Friday morning. And then typical summertime convective storms will be the story tomorrow. Just some pop-up stuff here and there, less chance of rain as we move into our weekend and clear up for a nice looking Saturday thus far. Maybe a little bit of cloud cover to keep us cool in the morning, and then a nice feeling day. But that front that is coming and pushing those storms is making for a more organized threat rather than our pop-up stuff that we're used to, making for a slight severe weather risk in our northern half of our coverage area, and then a marginal in the southern half. But those storms are still going to bring the same effects. Damaging winds, small hail, even frequent lightning is going to be the story today, and you will want to be on the lookout for that. Now, the future view, the other story of the day is the humidity. The humidity is making it feel very warm and very sticky and muggy out there. So take a look at right before our storms come through our area. You can see our feel-like temperatures are going to reach about 100. And then right after those roll through, they are going to bring us back down into the mid 70s. So that is going to feel good. But the bad news is it's not going to bring us much relief. Maybe a couple degrees cooler tomorrow in terms of the feels like temperature, but then it is going to rise back on up as we reach Saturday. As you can see, we're back up to 99 in Macon and Dublin for those heat indices. Now, our current dew points are sitting in the mid 70s all the way to the 80s even. Milledgeville, Gordon is sitting at 80 and 81 respectively, and those feels like temperatures are going to make it feel about 5 to 10 degrees warmer than it actually is. You can see our heat indices creeping on up into 98, 99, dropping down a little bit when those storms roll through, but they are going to make it feel very warm and very sticky like a typical July Georgia day. Now take a look at today. Our forecasted high is 91 because it's not going to heat up entirely too much before those storms roll in, but level 2 risk for a good portion of central Georgia today. And then tonight our low is 73. Scattered storms are still possible with that second wave possibly coming through and hitting us. 7-day forecast, good chance of rain today, 80%. Dropping down the high temperature a little bit tomorrow and a good 40% chance of rain, but then constant 30, 20 throughout the weekend and the rest of next week as we creep on up into the lower 90s again, but the humidity making it feel a lot warmer.